Alright, so in this tutorial we're gonna talk about Viewmax, and I'll show you how you can use Viewmax as well. So, it's first you just need to open up your browser and you need to go to the official Viewmax IO website. Once you're there, you just simply have to log in or sign up using your email. So if you're new to it, just simply press get started, and then I'm just gonna use Google for it. And I'll just sign in with my account, and you just gotta press continue, and it might take a while to load up. And now right over here it will ask us for a plan. So depending on your plan, if you're going for basic, you get 200 credits per month. You get Sora to generate video generator, and it just depends on your budget. So yeah, but right over here, we're inside a dashboard. This is called the main dashboard. And on the dashboard, you'll see different earning options like watching ads, completing tasks, or viewing content. To get started, click on any available task. So if you see task right over here, just simply press on any available tasks. And usually is the easiest one. You can just press on watch ads and you can just get it. Now start watching the videos, and ads provided with each completed task give you points for small earnings. Keep in mind you need to watch the full duration for it to count. Next, check your balance section. So right over here you'll see your balance section as well. So if you go to account, right over here I'm on free plan, but if you get your paid account, you'll see your balance section as well. So you just need to get your balance section and you need to check it, and that shows how much you've earned so far. And as you continue complete tasks, your balance will increase. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, you can go to withdrawal or cash out section. There you'll see your payment method and request a payout. Before you do that, make sure you remember your details correctly, especially your payment information, to avoid any issues. And yeah, you can also create video generators and image, and it's also good for script writers. So if you want to try it, you can just simply describe your video, like let's say make a video of Superman fighting villain, and it will generate a video for you. But obviously you need a plan for that, and remember about credits. So if you watch ads, you can get credits for free, but you have to go with the subscription for now. And yeah, you don't have to skip ads or you won't get credited. Stay consistent because earnings are usually slow, and Viewmax works similarly to many watch and earn. So yeah, that's basically it. Now you exactly know how to use Viewmax. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next time.